Hey, and welcome to Gardener Keep. It is July 18th, 2023. We are suffering through a heat wave here in Arizona. It's been just a ton of fun. Thank goodness we've all got air conditioning. Um, and I've had a couple people ask, I've seen some different posts on different gardening sites, what we're starting here in Arizona. If you plan to start anything here in Arizona, you really need to make sure you're starting it inside in under shade, protected, keep it less than 95 degrees. It's just too hot. We hit 115 here in Graham County yesterday, and I'm anticipating about the same temperature again today. So some of the things that I'm going to be looking at planting probably middle of August. We'll see what temperatures and monsoons do. You can start looking at planting your lettuce, your spinach, your onions, your fall garlic to harvest next spring. Your onions will be harvested next spring as well. Strawberries are great to start in the fall here in Arizona. I haven't had much success keeping them alive through summer though, so that is something I'm working on. I'm gonna, that'll be a whole different video when we go out there. Um, but you can do radishes, you can do broccoli. It's great to start your artichokes now. We had really good success with artichokes, but they were on the west side of our house. And so during the winter, they were protected. They'd get that warm afternoon sun, that side of the house would heat up, and they were just protected from the wind and all the elements. So I'm gonna start an artichoke garden too. They get really big, so you can't really plant them like in the center of your garden. So we'll be doing a video on that as well. And then, like I said, your broccoli and your cabbage, if I didn't say that already, you can start those as well. Um, Sweet potatoes, if you want to do sweet potatoes, you can do any of your winter squash. Those are all things you can plant in the fall in Arizona. Here in Arizona, we can't really grow in the summertime. It just when you've got 115 degrees for days on end. I think Phoenix just hit a record of the 18 days of greater than 110. Nothing is going to grow. And even here in Graham County, which we are about 2.5 hours southeast of Phoenix, we've had over 110 for at least a week. So right now we are just suffering through keeping our garden growing. Mine's dead. I mean, you can go back and look at some of my other videos. It died like 2 weeks ago. It was just ridiculous. And everything we have is on timers. It's auto watered. It's on a drip system. Like we've done everything, and we still haven't been able to grow our garden this year. So that's kind of your setup for your fall planning and some of my rambling because I do that. I get sidetracked super easy. So fall planning in Arizona, start thinking about it, but don't plan to start anything unless you can start it indoors and you can protect it until mid-August to even late August, just depending on where you're at. If you guys have got any questions, hit me up. Come find me on Facebook at Gardener Keep LLC. I have a group, a page, and a profile because they all operate just a little bit differently. Please subscribe to my video and give me a thumbs up. Have a great day.